Hey guys, I never recorded an actual intro for this video. I kind of just turned on the camera and started working. But in this video, basically what I'm going to be doing is extending this path. I'm going to build a secondary path that goes down by the front of the dam. And I'm going to build a third path. And I'm going to do a little bit of that. I'm going to build a third path. And use that to just bring some loam to the planter boxes. So, yep. Alright, so this is what we have now. This path and then the side path. I'm going to extend this path later. We're going to have to put a bridge there, and then it's going to come up to here. You can see this is all set up with the rocks. Goes in, comes around, rocks on the edge, and then these rocks. This gravel here. And then this is going to go to this bridge, which I'm going to install in a later video, because I got to get the planks for it and all that. So yeah, so far it's good. It kind of looks crappy. You gotta let it dry. There's mud all down here because I put the water down to wash away some of the dirt that was on these. It might need a little bit more, but it's getting hard to kind of, you know, get together a bucket. But yep, so this looks good. Alright, the next thing we got to do is in here. I'm going to fill this all with loam. I'm going to get rid of this grass, and this is all going to be filled to the top with loam. But in order to do that, I need to build a path, and it's going to go from around here, and then it's just going to go to the road. So it's going to go through here, like this. I'm going to get ticks all over me. All the way this way, and then here, and this is where I'm just going to go up here, and right around here is where the loam's going to get dropped off. So we'll clear that out. I also don't have a weed whacker right now, so this is probably going to have to get all cleared out by hand. Also, I have this, and I'm going to use the wood chipper, get rid of all that, chip it all up like I did here, chip it all into a tarp, and that's going to be a whole wood chip pathway. And yeah, so this path, I really want to make sure I do a good job with this path, especially right along here, because this, you can't really see it, but where the path is going to be, it's sloped, so I got to terrace it down, and I want to have, you know, rock wall here, then the rock wall, then on top the actual path, and then on the side probably more rocks, and I really want this to look nice. So yeah, let's get on that.
System of failure.
Alright, so that was a lot of work. We got the paths over there dug, and we got these. I started this path. There's a lot more to do, and honestly, it's gonna be, you know, another week or two of work. So I'm just gonna make this a whole nother part, because I think we're at like 11 minutes right now or something, and there's a lot more work to be done. I need to have a little retaining or rock wall right here, rock wall down there, probably, at least for this spot, because it's pretty steep and I don't want this kind of dirt just sliding off and crap. It'll also look really nice. I have some landscaping fabric that needs to be put down all along this stretch, so that needs to be done. Then obviously I need to put the wood chips down. I need to make a spot for the loam to be dumped into, so there's a lot of work that needs to be done. In the meantime though, I'm going to make probably 1 or 2 more videos before that part 2 comes out, because I have a lot of stuff I'm going to work on, and let me show you. Alright, so I've had about like $250 of material. These are a bunch of 2x6s and some 2x4s, 4 10-foot and 4 8-foot. And I have over here, these are some bricks. So these are all for the projects I'm going to be doing, and these are going to be in the videos following. So one of these is for the flume. I'm going to be putting in a flume up there, so that'll be a video. You can see this bridge right here. Pretend like this just didn't rip right out of the nail. And, but this is the bridge, and I need to dig these footings down. Crap, I gotta put work in and cut these up and lay them across. So that'll be a video. These 2x4s, what are they for? They're kind of just, I need some for the flume, and they're just generally useful, so I have them. And the bricks, let me show you what the bricks are going to be used for. All right, so right here, we're going to extend this wall right around to like right about here or so, and to that length. And then I'm going to have boards, or I'll just fill it in with mud for now, but I'll have boards across here so it's flat. So we have like a flat area here, and that area is flat all the way to around here, and this is where the transmission is gonna go. So we gotta have that old bike, and then obviously everything that's needed to generate power is gonna have to go there. The generator, the whole bike, and then all the electronics need to be done. Also, what I'm gonna be doing, and I might do this in part 2 where we finish up this path. You can actually see it real nice from this angle now that I weed whacked it. From right here, this will be cleared out. We're gonna go down here, and then I'll build a little bridge. I don't know if I'll make a nice bridge, or I might just put like that board down for a little bit, but this won't be muddy. Yeah, the dam's still leaking. We gotta get to that too, but we're gonna have a bridge, so this will just be a straight path all the way there. And same deal, rocks on both sides, so it looks nice. I'm kind of disappointed this part gets really narrow and it doesn't look too good. But this all looks nice if it wasn't, if it didn't have a bunch of boards on top of it. I also got 2 bags of mortar. So yeah, that's what $250 gets you right now. So that's fun, but hopefully it'll be worth it. And this place will look nice. Really excited to get that loam in, and I might mulch. Actually, I want to mulch in here. So I'll get this all taken out and maybe dug down so it's level or something, and I'll have mulch right here. So it'll be fun. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. It'll probably come out pretty soon. I'm out of school, so I can get a lot more work done in a day. So yep, bye-bye.